So wifey wanted Kelewele today, so what I'm trying to do is, well, what I'm doing right now is going to the closest supermarket that we have, or should I say complex, so to speak, what we call it around here. See if they have ripe plantains, and if they do, I'll buy some and I will fry it. But remember, it all depends, right, on how you want your Kelewele. Okay, let me just wait. So the closest shopping complex that we have around us is a shop called Spa. So from here, I usually do find ripe plantain. So I'll see if they do have it, and I'll grab a couple. I'll probably take 8. Then I think we do not have ginger powder. With me, when I'm making my Kelewele, right, what I usually do is I add ginger, then to the ripe plantain and chili. Then I fry it. So I'm now literally walking to the shop, and I'll show you guys the things that I actually buy. Sorry. Sweets that they have. I think I'll buy 8 of these. So I actually took 8 of them, and I'm told that they want bread as well. So she likes that bread. What's next? Oh yeah, I need to get ginger powder. I have chili. And I was asked to get eggs as well. So just these biltongs, you guys call them jerky. I think it's called jerky in the States. I don't think I have oil. Grab oil. Those are the dairy. Well, that's what the dairy products are with margarine. Let's see. See turmeric. Let me get this ginger. Okay. And I was asked to get eggs. Eggs. Sweet. So we have basically eggs, oil, bread, and ginger, and the ripe plantain. Let me see what else I can get. Let me get one of these Lucasades. It's my favorite. I like the original. I hate the orange one. Just went for a 27 kilometer cycling or cycle, so I'm tired. So I'll show you guys the rest when I get home. Okay, so we got home. I bought how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. So let's start. First of all, we just need to peel this. That's how you peel it. Then you remove the outer cover, and you cut that part, and you do this. That's actually just removing the outer membrane of it. Then what we need to do is, let me get a container where I'm going to actually put this in. So we got the pan. All I need to do is cut it into this. You can cut it whichever way you want. I like it that way. there, there. Let me do one again, just to show you guys. So you have to cut it in an angle. It comes out right and nice when you do that. Remember, we need to discard this portion and that portion. You remove a bit of the membrane. Cool. When that's done, you cut this, whichever size you want. Or watch yourself. It could get cut when you're doing this. So after this, I'm actually going to do all of them. Then we'll come back when I'm done cutting all of them and I'll wash them. Okay guys, I'm done now washing it. So before I do that, I wanted to show you guys how to actually create the spices that I'm going to coat this with. So first of all, it's ground pure ginger. I have chili. I like peri-peri a lot. Then I have oil. That actually makes it better. So let's begin. Get your bowl. You get your ginger. Oh, it smells really potent. When that's done, you add your chili. I forgot to mention salt. So this is actually salt right now. Sweet. Then I add oil. Just to create some sort of paste. I like using my hands for everything. Cool. So once that's done, what I do is I take that and literally pour it over. Then I mix. And that's about it. The next step will be frying this. And when that's done, that's your Kelewele right there. So you need to preheat the oil till it's really, really hot. Then you start putting in your plantain, or ripe plantain. I think that's enough. So what we're going to do is we're going to fry it till it's all golden brown. Then we'll put the next batch. Then when it's all done, we'll show you guys the end result. The food is finally finished. And this is how it looks like. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And try it out. See if it actually comes out the way this one came out. With lots of love from me, Kwesi. See you next week. Bye.